video. Welcome back to Procedural TV. Here is another drawing tutorial. Sorry for not making a drawing tutorial for all this time. This video is about how to draw a cup with coffee, a cute one though. And subscribe, like, comment, share, and also comment right down below if you like drawing cute things or realistic things. And by the way, turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every day I make new videos. I personally like drawing cute things more than realistic things, and trust me, cute things are super amazing when I look at them. So you will want to know how to draw cute things, right? But whatever. I did not post drawing tutorials for so long because I did not know what to draw, and I didn't have any idea of what to draw. So I just decided to draw a random cup with coffee today. So hope you enjoyed this video, and also sorry for not posting for so long after all these days. So I'm gonna tell you things I'm using in this video, but not in details, just in general. So first thing, I'm using a pencil, well, a soft one as well. And the second thing are color pencils. Well, for the color pencils, I have a pink, brown, black, and red one. And also a black marker. So that's what I'm using for this video. Don't forget to watch till the end, please. So thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every day I make new videos. And yeah, that's it for today, and see you next day.